Alright, let's get straight to it. Is Maverick AI Pro a scam, or is it the next big thing in smart glasses? As of April 2026, Maverick AI Pro is definitely real, and it's making waves in the AR wearables space, especially if you're into sports. First off, don't confuse this with any Maverick trading bots you've seen in sketchy ads. This is not about stocks or crypto. Maverick AI Pro is a pair of smart glasses made by EverySight, a legit player in augmented reality. What makes them stand out? Eye-tracking tech that's on par with what you'd find in premium headsets, like the Apple Vision Pro. These glasses are packed with AR tools, but the real magic happens if you're an athlete. For golfers, Maverick AI Pro gives you live swing metrics and stats while you play, thanks to the built-in camera and dedicated apps. You also get turn-by-turn navigation, real-time translation, and object identification, all through your shades. Let's talk price. Early bird deals started at $359. The full price lands around $599. There's a standard Maverick AI version too, which skips the eye tracking for $499. Legit check? Every site has real history in AR tech. They just wrapped up crowdfunding at the end of March, and if you grabbed one, shipping starts in August. If you see someone promising guaranteed returns using Maverick AI, especially with celeb deepfakes, run. That's AI washing, not the real product. One last thing. If you're searching for Maverick in the trading world, you're probably thinking of Maverick Trading. They're a prop trading firm, been around since 1997, but they're completely separate from these glasses. So, bottom line, Maverick AI Pro is legit for tech fans and athletes. Just stay sharp and don't fall for scammy lookalikes.